All right, so I have Gillette Clinical Protection. Now, this is a deodorant that neutralizes odor and is non-irritant. The flavor is Cool Wave, and it's supposed to give 72 hours of extreme sweat protection. Now, it says that it gives extreme sweat protection because it actually has more of the product that prevents perspiration, right here. Aluminum, zirconium, blah, 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 right here. It says antiperspirant right here. So normally deodorants would have less than 20% of this product in there. Now, because this product is intended to give more protection for perspiration, it actually has more of it in here to actually prevent you from sweating easily. So it says it offers 72 hours of extreme sweat protection. It's clear gel. We're going to open this up. And one of the things they talk about is this Gillette Clinical Protection. It offers you the ultimate protection when you need it the most, like with intense workouts, long days in the sun, and the first date. You don't want to show up with the first date with sweaty pits, unless that's your thing, I guess. So it says, or job interview. You definitely don't want to go up to a job interview with sweaty armpits. So we're going to open this up. There's a guaranteed satisfaction warranty on the side that they talk about. And inside here it is. The flavor is Cool Wave Clinical Protection Gillette right here with the aluminum zirconium. Just like I talked about earlier. The ingredients by Procter & Gamble in Cincinnati, Ohio. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and smell the freshness. It smells like a Cool Wave. Whatever Cool Wave smells like, I guess. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take this, and I'm going to peel this back right here. And you need to come back here to access. Smell the Cool Wave. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and dispense some of this. By simply turning the dial at the bottom. It takes a while for it to come up, but I can see some of it coming up right here. So here it is. I'm actually going to go ahead and put some of this on right here. It's a nice glide. Fairly cool. I'm going to apply this under my arm and see how it works. A little cold. All right, so put it on my arm. It goes on very smoothly, less filling, very refreshing. And I'll give this a shot. If it has a little bit more aluminum zirconium on there to prevent me from sweating on the first date, then I guess I'm all for this. But then again, I need something to help me get that first date. But that'll be another video. All right, I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.